Hi, my name is Priyanka. I'm a South African food and lifestyle content creator, and today I'm sharing a no-bake cheesecake recipe. This is a versatile no-bake cheesecake recipe that's simple and easy to whip up. You can add any of your favorite toppings, and I decided to turn mine into a lemon cheesecake. Start off by adding 2 bags of tennis biscuits into a Ziploc bag, and using a rolling pin, you'll bash this until it resembles fine crumbs. Transfer it to a bowl and add some melted butter and mix until it's well combined. Grease a tartan with some bacon spray, transfer the crumb mixture into the tray, and then just press it down using the back of a spoon, and to help you do so even further, you can just use the back of a glass. Refrigerate the base for at least 30 minutes, and now let's work on the cream mixture. Transfer room temperature cream cheese into a mixing stand and mix this until it's light and fluffy. The next 4 ingredients that go in is lemon juice, icing sugar, vanilla essence, and some lemon zest. Whisk this for about 45 seconds until you have a smooth, silky mixture to work with. Now, to make this cheesecake light and airy, we're going to whip up some cream. What I love about this recipe is how versatile it is. You can turn it into a chocolate cheesecake, a caramel cheesecake, a fruit cheesecake. Whip the cream until it resembles stiff peaks. Now, slowly but surely, transfer a little of the cream into the cream cheese mixture and slowly fold in. Try to be as gentle as possible, as we still want to keep this light and airy. Transfer the mixture onto the chilled base, and using the back of a spatula, spread it out evenly. Once it's spread out evenly, use the back of a spoon to make sure that it's leveled out, and refrigerate this for a couple hours, at least 4 to 6 hours, or until overnight. Now, at this point, you can add in any of your favorite toppings, like a fresh berry compote or a passion fruit coulis, or you can even add some crushed pineapple. I added a lemon curd. I also topped this off with some fresh cream, some slices of lemon, and some mint sprigs, just to be a little extra and bougie. And there you have it, my no-bake lemon cheesecake that's simple to whip up, a versatile recipe that's soft, airy, and has the most incredible base. It tastes amazing, and your guests will be so impressed. Enjoy!